In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online tutorial for beginners. We're going to walk through the core setup and everyday features you need to start using QuickBooks Online with confidence. If you're brand new to the platform, this is a great place to begin because we'll cover the basic flow from setting up your account to tracking invoices, bills, and reports. First, head to QuickBooks Online and sign up for an account. Once you're inside, go to the gear icon in the top right corner and open Account and Settings. This is one of the first places you should visit because it controls how your business information appears across the system. From there, update your company name, contact information, and address. Making sure these details are accurate helps keep your records clean and ensures your customer-facing documents like invoices look professional and consistent. Next, open the Sales and Expenses tabs in Settings. Here you can customize your invoice templates and set default expense categories. This is helpful because it saves time later and creates a more standardized workflow when you begin sending invoices or recording business spending. After that, move to the Accounting tab, or in some accounts, the Banking tab from the left side menu. Choose Link Account and securely sign into your bank. Once the account is connected, QuickBooks Online will download recent transactions automatically. At this stage, you'll need to review and categorize each transaction or match it to the correct account in your chart of accounts. This step is important because it helps keep your bookkeeping accurate and makes your reports much more useful later on. Now let's create an invoice. Click the New or Create button at the top of the screen. Under the Customers column, select Invoice. Choose the customer, enter the product or service, set the rate, and then click Save and Send. Once your invoices are out, you can track their status from the Sales tab in the left menu, which makes it easy to see what's been sent, viewed, or paid. To manage what you owe vendors, go to the Expenses and Bills section on the left menu and click Add Bill. This allows you to record outstanding bills. You can also upload a PDF of the vendor invoice, and QuickBooks Online may autofill details like the amount and due date. From there, you can monitor everything in your unpaid bills list and process payments directly if payment add-ons are enabled. Finally, click Reports in the left navigation panel. Open the Profit and Loss report to review your income and expenses for a selected period. Then run the balance sheet to view your assets, liabilities, and equity. You can also filter report dates, customize the date range, and export reports to PDF or Excel for sharing or deeper analysis. And that's a solid beginner walkthrough of QuickBooks Online.